Hello friends, I'm going to talk about one of the widely used conditional statement in Arduino programming, that is if statement. Actually how if statement works. The if statement evaluates expression inside the parenthesis. If the expression is true, the conditional body gets executed and otherwise it will not get executed. Let's learn this concept in some easy words. To help us understand this better, we'll use a flow diagram of if statement. And in the last part of this video, we'll go through one practical example using if statement. Let's assume we want to turn on the fan when room temperature rises above 30 degrees. The temperature sensor measures the room temperature, and if the temperature is above 30 degrees, fan connected to the microcontroller is automatically turned on. And if the temperature is less than or equal to 30 degrees, the conditional code is not executed and the fan will stay turned off. Now we write a software to blink LED with if statement and conditional code. We'll also have a look on the effect of if statements on blinking LED. We start with a setup function that runs just once on entry to the software. Set the direction of pin 8 to the output. After setting up the configurations, we jump over to loop function and write our main code here that runs in a loop forever. I'm going to declare a static variable LED counter to turn off or turn on the LED. LED counter will get incremented every time loop function is called. We use if statement to compare LED counter with 25,000. That means if this loop is called 25,000 times, then if condition gets true, and conditional code will be executed. Let's start writing the conditional code. Here we want to turn on the LED that is connected to pin 8. Keep in mind, high state of the pin turn on the LED and low state turn off the LED. Whenever if condition gets true, I want to raise another counter and print it on serial monitor. For that reason, I'm introducing the loop entry variable. The loop entry counter gets incremented after setting pin 8 output state to high and printing this counter on serial monitor for tracking purpose. That was all I wanted to write in conditional code. I want to write a second if statement using conditional code. This if statement compares the LED counter with 50,000. That means if this loop is called 50,000 times, then if condition gets true and its conditional code will be executed. With writing the second if statement, we can switch off the LED when if condition is true. To do that, we need to set the pin 8 output state to low. Whenever the LED output state is set to low, the loop entry counter gets incremented here and printing it on serial monitor for tracking purpose. We need to set the LED counter to 0 so that it will start incrementing with loop function calls and turn on the LED again reaching this counter to 25,000. We have finished writing the code, now we can start compiling it. And we see code did compile successfully. We can start uploading the software to Arduino. The software is uploaded to Arduino successfully and we see that the LED is switching on and off. That is because first the if condition gets true, the LEDs get switched on. Given the second if condition gets true, the LEDs get switched off. We see in the serial monitor how the loop entry counter is getting incremented. Increase the number of loop cycle to 50,000 in the first if condition and to 100,000 in the second if condition. After making these changes, compilation is necessary. And after successful compilation, upload the software to Arduino. If we concentrate on LED blinking, we see that now the LED is blinking with half the speed in comparison with the previous loop counter. The serial monitor also shows us that the loop entry counter is now increasing slowly. Now decrease the number of loop cycles drastically so that the LEDs blink very fast. After compilation and uploading the software to Arduino, we see that the LEDs are blinking much faster than before, and even the loop entry counter in serial monitor is increasing very fast. Make these changes in both if conditions so that we get the same LED switch on and switch off time. That was all for this video. I hope you have learned something new from it. Don't forget to like and share this video and also subscribe to my channel because a lot of fun things are coming next. Till then, take care.